In this video, we have given that 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x. Then we have to find the value of x. So we have 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x. And it is 2 power x plus 4 is 2 square power x, that is equal to 8 is 2 cube power x, and x power a whole power b, it is equal to x power a times b, that will be equal to x power b whole power a. So it is 2 power x plus 2 power 2 power x will be 2 power x power 2, that is equal to 2 power 3 power x will be 2 power x power 3. And if we take 2 power x is equal to t, then it is t plus t square is equal to t cube, and it is t cube minus t square minus t is equal to 0, and we can take t common, and it is t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. So either t will be 0, t can be equal to 0, and t is 2 power x, that is 0, and 2 power x, it is greater than 0, so it cannot be equal to 0, and t square minus t minus 1 can be 0, t square minus t minus 1, it can be 0, and for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. So t will be equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1 by 2 times 1, and t is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 by 2, and t is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So t is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, and t is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 by 2, and t is 2 power x that is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 by 2, and 2 power x, it is positive, and 1 minus square root of 5 by 2, it is negative. So it is not possible. And here t is 2 power x, that is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. And if we take log both sides by taking log both sides, then log of 2 power x, it will be equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. And log a power x, it is equal to x times log a. So log 2 power x, it will be x times log 2, that is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. So x will be equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 by log 2. And log a by log b, it is equal to log base b of a. So this will be equal to log base 2 of 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. X is log base 2 of 1 plus square root of 5 by 2.